Hey everyone, this is Marek. What you can see here is a new damper which is supposed to go and replace those TPU dampers behind the printhead. So as bad as it looks, there is a very good reason for it, because I bumped the accels once again. So right now I'm doing 1750 on all accels except for infill, travel speed also. The initial layer was set to 1500 and then infill is set to 3500. So again, everything else is set to 1750, which was overflowing a little, but I finally got it under control, I think. So I needed to lower the flow to 65%, which seems to be doing better for the parts. The support, as you can see, is completely broken, but I hope that it will survive for the rest of the model to print. I'm still fighting the blobs and the leakage of the printhead. I screwed it several times already, but it's unscrewing on its own. And of course the filament is unwilling. So this damper that you can see here, when it goes behind the printhead, it is supposed to damper the forces happening on Y and Z axis. For the forces happening on X axis, I'm using the balls to damper them as much as possible. I have the biggest one, which is out there. It's almost completely printed. I stopped it at some point because of the small layer shift. I was pushing the limits of the printer, so it broke at the very end. But for this guy, overall, I think it will work out, that I get it printed. It failed already once when I tried to print it horizontally. So now I'm trying to print it vertically instead. We'll see how it goes, but I'm very positive. We'll see what will be the side effect of it. Oh, by the way, I printed this thingy. I'm calling them interfaces, and the purpose for them is to transfer as many vibrations and forces as possible from the bed itself to the damper underneath. There are two more dampers to go here. They will replace this one with the spikes and are supposed to be stronger. So we'll see. But these interfaces seem to be working. Okay, I will let it print and will keep you posted on the results. So this is one of the final models from V1.